Welcome to the CCURE 9000 Parking Management Configuration. In this walkthrough, we'll set up your parking management system step by step. Before we begin, make sure you have the prerequisites in place. Our first step is to run the JCI Parking Management Installer. Agree with the license agreement, and the installation will proceed automatically. Once complete, click Finish, then Close. In the server configuration, restart the Crossfire services to apply the changes. Next, open the admin station. From the hardware folder, right-click and select New Car Park. Enter a name for your car park, and don't forget to check the Enabled box. You'll also need to set the threshold for unoccupied spaces. This determines when the status changes from available to near full. Optionally, you can associate a clearance with the car park. In the Triggers area, you can link car park states to actions or events. In this case, activate an event when the car park state reaches near full. Once you're done, click Save and Close. Now, let's create a car park space group. Navigate to your car park, then add a new space group. Give it a name and enable the group. Personalize any settings you require. From the Vehicles tab, you can configure which vehicles have access or even assign reserved access. Repeat these steps for any additional car park groups you want to set up. In this scenario, the JCI car park contains a public space group with 2 car park spaces and a private space group with 2 reserved spaces for 2 specific vehicles. An event will be triggered when the VIP car park is full. Now you must configure endpoints for your car park. From the hardware pane, navigate to Illustra Pro LPR Endpoint and click New. Enter a name and enable your endpoint. If you are using LPR directly configured on Illustra Pro LPR camera, enter the camera's IP address and credentials. Set any additional settings. If you're using LPR analytics from the Video Edge, select the configured camera and input the name of the LPR alarm configured on Video Edge. Select the car park and set the endpoint direction. Once complete, save and close. Repeat the steps to configure your exit endpoint. And that's it. Your parking management system is now configured, allowing you to intelligently manage your parking data directly from CCURE 9000.